As we head into our first Mega Open House weekend of the year, we want to make sure you are familiar with some of the important tools you should be using for your Mega Open House, so you can make the most of this event. Number 1. Facebook and Instagram Open House Ads. As we discussed in a previous Good to Know episode, Boost by HomeSpotter is the easy button for Mega Open House, Facebook, and Instagram ads. All you have to do is make sure your open house is listed in the MLS services before the event, and an ad will be created for your open house listing. You'll get an email with a link to the ad so you can post it to your Facebook account and provide to the seller to post to their Facebook account. This allows you both to see the engagement and connect with potential prospects during the campaign. When the campaign is finished, you will receive an email summary showing the impressions and engagement. You can also access your dashboard at any time by visiting the URL boost-bhsga.homespotter.com and using the username and password for your internet login. These Facebook and Instagram ads for Mega Open House are easy and at no cost to our associates. Number 2. Buy-Side Buyer Market Analysis, or BMA. As suggested in our Surge campaign, the Side BMA is a powerful source of value estimates, plus real-time buyer traffic, and no other brokerage in our market can provide it. So far this year, agents have run well over 1,000 BMAs. Sam Satterfield and Damon Dowdy lead the pack with 172 and 127 respectively. Way to go, Northeast Metro Atlanta office! Todd Tucker mentioned sharing the BMA in the Mega Surge Impact activities. Remember to have copies of the BMA to share with visitors. If the neighbors see what their home is worth and the number of potential buyers looking for a property like theirs, you may just win another listing. Number 3. Spacio Paperless Open House Registration. Spacio is our paperless open house registration solution to make the open house sign-in procedure streamlined and simple. Everyone should be using Spacio to register visitors for Mega Open House. Did you know that you can use Spacio from any device, even without an internet connection? The first choice is an iPad, Android tablet, or a laptop with an internet connection. If you do not have these devices or an internet connection, you can print the link or QR code for smartphones. Worst case scenario, you can use a paper registration during your open house and manually load your visitors after the event. Here are a few things you may not know about Spacio. We have luxury templates in addition to the standard templates. Just log in, select Settings, then My Account, then My Plan. Change the branding code to BHHSGA2 and apply. You are all set. If you want to go back to the standard screen, just change the branding code back to BHHSGA. The Consumer Sweepstakes winner of the Alexa Prize Pack will be drawn from the Spacio registrants. This includes an Alexa Show, Alexa Spot, and a 4-pack of smart outlets. Very cool. You can also see social insights on visitors during or after the open house. This can be very helpful to make personal connections. Spacio is fully integrated into our Reliance websites, so all registrations not represented by another agent will be added as leads to your account. There is a full suite of training videos on the Propel Learning Management System. Spacio also provides us excellent reporting. That's why we know Zillow is the #1 source of where prospects found our open houses. Facebook is also growing as an additional source. Our investments in Zillow ads and Facebook ads are paying off for our associates and clients. Join us for Power Lunch at noon on Friday. We will provide more details on these platforms, plus helpful tips so you are ready for the big event on Sunday afternoon. Mega Open House events have been a huge source of buyers for our listings and have generated new listing clients for our associates. The pre-event and post-event marketing to the community is the key. Last year, we generated over 35,000 prospects from Mega Open House events. So this year, we are supercharging the Mega Open House with more events, more training, and even more advertising. Now that's good to know.